All right, with that, we're shifting attention to breaking updates coming in. The delimitation and the language wars intensify. And Stalin, on his birthday, has given a message to his cadre. Remember, over the last few days, Stalin has been writing to the DMK cadre on the issues of language, delimitation, as well as taking on the center over funds to Tamil Nadu. So, on his birthday, he has written a message to the cadre. And here as well, there is a fresh salvo. The BJP, where he has spoken about delimitation, saying that the fight is only getting bigger.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். பொதுவா நான் பிறந்த நாளை பெரிய அளவில் ஆடம்பரமா ஆர்ப்பாட்ட விழாவா கொண்டாடுறதில்லை. ஆனா கழக உடன்பிறப்புகள் மக்களுக்கான நலத்திட்ட உதவிகள் வழங்குறது, கழக அரசோட சாதனைகளை, கழக கொள்கைகளை எடுத்து சொல்ற பொதுக்கூட்டங்கள் நடத்துறதுன்னு செயல்படுவாங்க. இந்த முறை என்னுடைய பிறந்த நாள் வேண்டுகோளாக என் உயிரோடு கலந்திருக்கும் தலைவர் கலைஞரின் அன்பு உடன்பிறப்புகளுக்கு ஒரு கோரிக்கையை முன்வைக்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு தமிழ்நாடு தன்னுடைய உயிர் பிரச்சனையான மொழி போரையும் தன்னுடைய உரிமை பிரச்சனையான தொகுதி மறுசீரமைப்பையும் எதிர்கொண்டிருக்கு. இதனுடைய உண்மையான நோக்கத்தை நீங்க மக்களிடம் கொண்டு சேர்க்க கேட்டுக்கிறேன். தொகுதி மறுசீரமைப்பு என்பது நம்ம மாநிலத்தோட சுயமரியாதை, சமூக நீதி, நம்ம சமூக நல திட்டங்களை பெரிதும் பாதிக்கும்.
My colleague Dharani is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Dharani, on his birthday as well, Stalin saying that the fight is only going to get bigger. So it clearly looks like the issue is only going to escalate. Despite what the Union Home Minister said, that Tamil Nadu will not lose out, Stalin continuing to say that the fight is continuing.
Well, definitely, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has put out a video on his social media handles about how delimitation is being a punishment to South Indian states that implemented family planning effectively, and he's also going on to talk about how the state is at the brink of another language war. He says that in the 1900s, during the first language war, we won, but the war is still continuing, the battle is still continuing. The BJP's evil plan is to let Hindi intrude the state of Tamil Nadu first by imposing Hindi, and then slowly they will Sanskritize Tamil Nadu. That is their ultimate evil plan, and we shouldn't let this plan win, is what he's telling. And he's also going on to tell that leaders like Nehru, they built an India that thrived on its diversity. They built an India that was very proud about its unity in diversity. But as far as the current rulers at the center are concerned, they're trying to impose one particular language, that is Hindi, upon the non-Hindi speaking states, and they are doing this through educational institutions such as schools and colleges, through the three-language formula and the national education policy. And if we resist this attempt,
so
by
what
them,
started with the battle against the NEP saying we are not going to implement it, and then of course bringing the issue of language and now delimitation as well, there's no end to it. Thank you for joining us with those